Now we will discuss about the various parts of the flower. As we have discussed earlier that a flower has lateral appendages, lateral appendages that could be sterile or that could be reproductive. Now we will discuss about first of all sterile appendages, sterile appendages that include sepals and petals. Sepals and petals. So if we talk about sepals, sepals are basically the leaf-like portions and they are present outside the petals, or they are the outermost portion of the flower, and they are basically green in color, so they have some sort of a chloroplast in there, and they represent or they resemble like the flower. They have resemblance with flower, with leaf. Next is the petal. Next sterile portion is the petals. Petal is basically the that portion which just lie above the sepals. And they are mostly green, they are mostly in variety of colors. Petals have variety of colors, and this basically variety of color is for the attracting the pollinators, for the attraction of petals have major role in the attraction of pollinators. So as we have discussed that flower is basically the portion of the angiospermic plant body which is involved in the process of reproduction, and sepals and petals are two sterile lateral appendages. So in this case the petals are basically involved in the attraction of pollinators that help in the reproductive portions or reproductive appendages to do the process of reproduction.